Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing the emergency key and opening the case. This step gives access to the battery without breaking clips. First, press and slide the small release tab toward the Toyota logo and pull the metal emergency key free. Once done, insert a thin pry tool or flat driver into the seam where the key exits. Rotate gently to create a 0.5 centimeter gap. You want controlled pressure to separate the halves along the clip line rather than force that could crack plastic. With the shell open, locate the circular CR 2032 coin cell and observe its orientation. The plus side is usually visible and must match when you reinstall. Next, use a plastic pick or fingernail to lever the old cell out of its clip. Avoid metal tools that short the contacts. Once removed, place the new CR 2032 into the socket with the same orientation and press until it sits flush. Make sure the spring clip seats against the edge, so electrical contact is solid and reliable. After seating the battery, align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until you hear the clips click. This secures the internals and prevents water or dirt entry. Once reassembled, slide the emergency key back in and test both remote lock/unlock and the push-button start function at short range. If the fob fails, make sure to reopen, reseat the cell with correct polarity, and clean the contact surfaces with a bit of isopropyl on a cotton swab to remove oils that can block connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.